Specialty crop growers and agroforesters are faced with a range of challenges in their operations. Pesticide drift from row crops is one such challenge, but that risk can be reduced with the help of FieldWatch. What is FieldWatch? FieldWatch is the nonprofit organization dedicated to advancing communication, cooperation, and collaboration in agriculture. They operate great online mapping tools like DriftWatch, BeeCheck, FieldCheck, and more recently, SeedFieldCheck. These mapping tools allow for clear communication across sectors about where sensitive crops and valuable beehives are located. It works like this. Commercial producers of specialty crops such as tomatoes, fruit and nut trees, grapes, and vegetables register and map their sites online with an easy-to-use mapping tool and provide contact information about their operation. Similarly, through BeeCheck, beekeepers can register and map their hives in much the same way. Pesticide applicators can access the site and public map to help determine the scope and location of specialty crops and beehives in their trade area. Registered applicators can sign up to receive email notifications when new specialty crop fields or beehives are added to their designated state, county, or local area. DriftWatch and BeeCheck provide the platform to facilitate increased awareness, communication, and interaction between all parties as one part of ongoing stewardship activities. Today's tutorial will take you through the steps of how to register with FieldWatch so your neighbors and field technicians know where your valuable crops are growing and that they need protection. This is the FieldWatch website where you will register your operation. By scrolling down, you will find there are a range of options to choose from to learn more about FieldWatch. Take the time to explore a little, especially the resources section and the frequently asked questions tab. Let's get started with registering your operation in FieldWatch. The first step to getting your site registered is to set up a free account. Go to driftwatch.org. This is where you can sign in if you have an existing account or where you can sign up for a new account. Click to sign up as a commercial specialty crop producer. To set up your account, select the state your site is located in. Then, select a username. This can be your email address or something entirely unique. Finally, you will need to select a password, preferably something better than 123456778. Next up is basic contact information like your name and address. This is used to develop your profile that is attached to the site you're submitting. Some terms of service you'll need to accept, and your account is created. Now that you have an account, you can start entering locations of specialty crops. To log in, you will go back to driftwatch.org and sign in with your username and password. The site should bring up the state where you registered and will show an overwhelming amount of individual dots on a map. These correspond to sites that have been entered into the system. The left-hand side of the screen shows the various filters that you can select from to better navigate the map. For example, you can select only certified organic sites, and that will filter out and show only those sites that are listed as certified organic. You can also filter by crop type. A long list of crop types can be filtered from beehives and berries to industrial hemp and nursing crops. As we move to the upper right-hand corner, we find the search box, where you can enter search by address. You can also change your view from a satellite view to a map view. To enter a new site, move the mouse to the upper left-hand corner and the Submit New Site button. Step 1 is to enter your basic site information, starting with the crop year and then the state or province your site is located in. Then you will select a crop type. For me, it'll be orchard crops, nuts and berries. Click if you are organic or not. Then when you want your information to go live. And finally, the renewal date. Click Next. Step 2 is to enter any additional notes about the site. I'll put Nut Haven. Step 3 is to map your site. Select from centering the map on the address you tell it to, or center the map using your current location, or selecting that you already have the map near your specialty crop location. I'm going to select the first option and put in the address, which magically whisks me away to the map at that address, where I can now trace an outline around the area I want included in the registry. You can zoom in and out to get it to the proper size to make it work for you. Now click the blue button at the top center of the page that says Begin Tracing. Use your mouse to make a series of clicks at the four corners of the property you want to identify. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can clear and go back and start again. This method of tracing your site allows for more than a simple box or rectangle. Once you have your site highlighted, click the blue Submit Site button at the top of the page. Another Terms of Service box that the information is correct. Your site has been sent to the State Data Steward for approval. Click OK. You should receive a confirmation email from the State Data Steward officially letting you know your site has been accepted, or if you need to provide additional information. Your site is now public to those that access this map, and basic information will be provided, like address, contact information, and coordinates of the site. That is how you enter your specialty crop location on the FieldWatch registry. I hope you have found this video helpful as you navigate the process of registering your specialty crop site with FieldWatch. For a full detailed user guide with written step-by-step instructions for registering your specialty crop site or beehives, visit fieldwatch.com/resources for a list of PDF documents free to download and learn from. For more information on accelerating agroforestry, visit the webpage on the Trees Forever website at treesforever.org/accelerating agroforestry.